How to download the Chick-fil-A app on iPhone or Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your Android device. If you have iPhone, open App Store. Here, at the top, click on the search bar and search Chick-fil-A. You'll find all these options. You'll find Chick-fil-A. Click on it. You'll find this kind of screen. Make sure it's Chick-fil-A INC. And install this app, as you'll find install option in here. It's not available in my country, so I won't be able to install. You will simply install from here by clicking on install. After it's installed, you can sign into your account or make a new account if you don't have one, and after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to download the Chick-fil-A app on Android or iPhone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.